In this video, we are going to show you how to add a customer to an organization in Zendesk. Now, if you want to add customers to a specific organization, all we need to do is look towards the left-hand side over here, and on the bottom option, it says organization. So we click on that and choose the organization we want to add customers to. Now, we only have one, so click on this one. Now, for you to add a customer, you want to look at your right-hand side over here that says actions. So if you click on the drop-down option, this pop-up will appear. So we want to click on add user. So once you do that, this pop-up will appear. So all we need to do is add the name of the customer, add the email address of the customer. And by default, it's already set to end user, which is customer in Zendesk, not staff member. So all you need to do is click on add, and after that, you will be good to go. So again, if you add a name here, say Tom Smith, right? And then Smith underscore Tom 99 at gmail.com. And again, not staff member, end user. By default, it's going to be there. After that, click add customer, and after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.